Do you have an error with the libssh2.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get your security or network software working again. To start our troubleshooting for libssh2, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the libssh2, the SSH Protocol Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of secure shell connections, facilitating the encrypted data link between the client and remote server manifest. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. libssh2 is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan, now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libssh2 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video, or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart didn't fix the network DLLs, let's run the reset commands to refresh the protocol stack. Open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type n.etsh space int space ip space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, network protocols rely on a clean data path. This reset flushes corrupted socket entries and clears the cached routing manifests that often prevent these DLLs from communicating. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. It is important to avoid manual installation of libssh2.dll if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing libssh2 and maintaining system stability. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped libssh2 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.